Hello everyone, welcome to the new series of variations. So we are here to learn a new concept that is called as centered hexagonal number, not a hexagonal number. I was just thinking we have already gone through that. So it is centered hexagonal number, kind of. Okay, so it is centered hexagonal number. So now what do you mean by centered hexagonal number? So basically it is a number and we have to find out suppose if n is any number, we have to find out if the number is centered hexagonal number. So number one point is that what is this centered hexagonal number? So basically these are the numbers which are in the form of a hexagon. And centered hexagonal number is different from the hexagonal number because it contains one element at the center. So suppose if there is a figure of a hexagon, I will not be able to draw it over here, but I will just recommend to you to just watch it online, what is a hexagonal, so that you can have an idea. So and suppose there is a image, I'll be just drawing it for you guys if it will be understandable for you. Star, then star, नहीं यहाँ पे ड्रॉ नहीं होगा, इसको भी थोड़ा नेक्स्ट में लेना पड़ेगा. Then we have here it is the star. Okay, I am just assuming that you guys will just have an understanding of what is a hexagonal number. Here, so see, these are the centered hexagonal numbers. So 1, if I will say 1 is also a centered hexagonal number. In the picture, these are the numbers, these are the figure eight numbers which can be denoted as in the form of a hexagon. So these are overall, if you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it is 7, right? 7 numbers it is. So 7 is also a centered hexagonal number. The total number of the figure eight numbers which are in the form of a hexagon. So that is called as a hexagonal number. I will tell you the few centered hexagonal numbers. There are 1, 7, 19, then we have 37, then we have, I guess, 61. So I just remember only that. Okay. So I will tell you something, okay? So the first n numbers are this 61, 91. If I will try to find out the cumulative sum of these numbers, what will be that? Let me just calculate it. So पहले का तो 1 ही रहने वाला है. Next का 1 plus 7. Next series. Let us just create now the series. How it will work. Okay, so the cumulative series, I hope you guys understand. Next will be 1 plus 7 plus 9. Next will be 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 9 nahi hai, 19 hai, right? So it is 19. Over here is 19. 19 and then we have 37. So the sum will be 1, 8. 19 plus 7 plus 1 is 27. It will be 27 के बाद 64, right? So अगर मैं उसको सीरीज की तरीके से बताऊं तो it will be 1 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 3, 4 raised to power 3, right? So it is kind of that series, if you can notice over here. Now, as the central hexagonal number sum up to the nth number, it will be n ka cube if we take up in general, right? So it will be n raised to power 3. So how we can calculate them, as it should be, we can say n raised to power 3 minus n minus 1 raised to power 3. So this is the nth term will be. Okay, this is going to be the nth term. So if we have to find out the nth term, if it is a centered hexagonal number, then we can use this. So in general, if you want me to just find out the nth term, how we will do? We will write it down something like this: 3 into n into n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, this will be how we are going to find out the hexagonal number, centered hexagonal number, using this formula. Okay, hope you guys understand the complete logic. Let us now move on to the coding section. So here I will be taking a number, say for example n, and n is equal to, let us assume, 10 for now. I have to check whether oh god, if it is a hexagonal number or not. So number plus, I'll be creating a method, say we'll be naming it as centered hexa, and I'll be providing it that n value. Okay, so just it has created a value for me. No need for keeping it private. And I should ask it to return, what was the formula? 3 into n into n minus 1 plus 1. Right? Very simple it is. It's 300. If I will say second, 12, right? Again, let me just check it again. Was it? There is, I guess, 3 into n into, oh, I have done it wrongly, plus 1. That is why I was just thinking, now it is correct. I was just assuming it, why it is going on wrong, right? So if you can see, the third number was 19, right? So second pe it should be 7, 1 pe it should be 1, right? Hope you guys understand the concept. Thank you very much.